Imagine a computer so small it fits in your hand, yet powerful enough to train artificial intelligence models locally. This isn't science fiction. It's the Asus Ascent GX10, a personal AI supercomputer redefining what a desktop can do. Asus calls it the future of AI computing at your desk. Priced at just over $4,000, this compact powerhouse isn't built for gamers or casual users. It's crafted for AI researchers, data scientists, and innovators who need workstation-grade intelligence in a desktop footprint. At the heart of the GX10 lies the Nvidia GB10 system on chip, a hybrid engine featuring 10 Cortex-A725 cores. Together, they deliver a staggering 1,000 TFLOPS of theoretical performance. That's raw power optimized for deep learning, neural inference, and data modeling, all packed inside a chassis barely 6 inches wide. This isn't about frame rates, it's about insight generation. Picture this: analyzing terabytes of manufacturing data to uncover hidden correlations, like defects that only appear when sunlight hits a poorly insulated sensor. The GX10 doesn't just compute, it understands patterns humans might miss. Despite its size, connectivity is no afterthought. You get 10 gigabits Ethernet, Wi-Fi 7, multiple USB 3.2 Gen 2 ports, and HDMI output, all optimized for high-speed workflows. And here's the genius part. With Asus ConnectX CX-7, 2 GX10 units can link together into a single, more powerful AI cluster. It's scalable intelligence, literally doubling your computing potential. With 128 gigabytes of LPDDR5X RAM, a footprint of just 5.9 by 5.9 by 2 inches, and Asus's precision engineering, the Ascent GX10 merges supercomputer performance with minimalist design. It's not here to play games. It's here to push the boundaries of local AI experimentation. The Asus Ascent GX10 officially launched on October 15th and is already available through select retailers. A $4,000 desktop may seem extravagant, but for professionals building the next wave of intelligent systems, it might just be the smartest investment yet. Asus Ascent GX10. Small in size, infinite in potential.